Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this pixel mask effect in the CapCut mobile. So if you guys want to cover your face in a video, you can use this pixel mask effect. And here, just add your videos into CapCut, then go to effects, click on the body effects, find the mask category, this one, and select the pixel mask. Click on that. Here you can always adjust it. You can adjust the amount of the uh, mask. You can change the color, and you can also adjust the size of the question mark. And here, if you don't want to use the sticker, you can just go swipe it to 0. And here you can also add some filter to the video. Now click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length like this. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.